In this video, we'll show you how to update a cardholder's mobile number and date of birth. First, sign in to your account. From your dashboard, scroll to the bottom to view your list of cards. Locate the card you'd like to update. Using the search feature can make this quicker. Once you've found it, click Edit. Scroll past the card limit section to find the cardholder details. Here, you can update the mobile number and date of birth as needed. When you're done, click Update. You'll see a message asking if you're happy for the update to apply to all cards associated with the same email address. To proceed, click OK. And that's it. Your cardholder details are now up to date,